Bore and lore. Bore. Bore can be a verb or a noun. As a verb, it means to make someone feel uninterested or impatient through lack of variation or excitement. As a noun, it refers to a person or thing that is dull, uninteresting, or tiresome. Examples: the lecture on the history of mathematics bored me to tears. He is such a bore at parties, always talking about himself. Lore. Lore is a noun that refers to a body of knowledge or tradition passed down within a culture or group, often in the form of stories or beliefs. Examples: the local lore surrounding the haunted house intrigued the tourists. She is well versed in the lore of ancient civilizations. Differences. The main difference between bore and lore lies in their meanings and usage. Bore is associated with causing disinterest or being uninteresting, while lore relates to knowledge or traditions passed down through generations. Additionally, bore is commonly used in everyday language to describe mundane or tedious experiences, while lore is often used in the context of myths, legends, or cultural knowledge. Despite their differences, both words have distinct roles in expressing different concepts and ideas within the English language.